how you can actually see what inquiries are on your credit report so you can know which inquiries that you want to remove. Now, let's go ahead and jump right on into the video, and I want to tell you guys how you can actually remove them also. So let's get right on in. This is creditkarma.com, so you can sign up for Credit Karma. A lot of people already have Credit Karma. I'm going to show you a better way to get your credit reports because you're going to need all three of them. So because with Credit Karma, you only have, let me go back. You will only have your TransUnion and you only have your Equifax. You will not have your Experian credit report. So you only have TransUnion and Equifax. You won't have your Experian. You have 3 different credit reports, and it's easier when you go ahead and start removing the accounts if you go ahead and just get your credit reports, get all 3 of your credit reports and jump right on in. But if you don't have all 3 of them, let me show you what you can actually do to start now. And I'll show you how to get all 3 of your credit reports. So after you go ahead and click on TransUnion, which was the first one, you can click on TransUnion, then we can go to Equifax next. I want you to go all the way down to the bottom and see where it says hard inquiries. Now, hard inquiries is when you authorize a company to get your credit report. A soft inquiry is when you actually got your credit reports, or a company, they didn't really actually pull your credit reports. They just got like an overview of your credit reports. So these are all the inquiries that this client has. So these are inquiries that he has to get removed from his credit reports. This is on TransUnion. So when you go and try to remove your inquiry, if you have any positive account that you want to keep, you wouldn't call them or you wouldn't contact them and let them know to remove these inquiries, because you want to actually keep the inquiry if it's tied to an account that you need. If you don't want that account in your credit report, or say if you don't have an account at all, they didn't even approve you for anything, then go ahead and work on removing those inquiries. So it's 5 inquiries here. And on Equifax, it's 6 of them. Now, don't forget to each company will pull the credit bureau that they want, the report that they want. So if you see right here, this is the Home Depot. I already know by inquiries. This is Community Capital. This is that Fortiva credit card, but they wanted to pull the Equifax. But if you look here on TransUnion, you don't see that inquiry here. That's because it's not on each credit bureau. Usually with a negative account, if a client have derogatory marks, like say if a client have negative accounts, I usually say if these accounts are on this credit report, it's probably on other credit report, because usually each negative account they'll put on each credit bureau, right? But when you look at inquiries, it's not like that. So go ahead, go to creditkarma.com, go down to the bottom and look at those inquiries. Don't forget, I have my 12-hour inquiry removal. I was able to remove my inquiries in 4 hours, but I said 12 hours because I don't know what time everybody's going to start trying to do it. But go ahead and get started on it right away, first thing in the morning. And like I said too, I got the Discover and the Citibank inquiry deleted from my credit report. Actually 2 Discover, but I couldn't fit it right here on the ebook. But I'll show you guys what that looked like. And don't forget too, the inquiries is $29.99, but I used to charge $10 per inquiry. So this is a really good deal. Now, don't forget too, getting inquiries removed to be about 3 to 10 points. So like I said, it's going to be about 3 to 10 points that you can get per inquiry as you get them removed. Now, I told you guys there's another way you can get your credit reports. So I always tell my clients, especially if they're working on getting items, they want me to remove items like collections and charge-offs. If they want me to remove like collections, charge-off, bankruptcy, student loans, child support, any of these negative accounts, repossessions, we've been really good with repossessions lately, but we've been getting all these accounts removed. But if they want me to remove it, I always tell them to go to IdentityIQ.com. So all you have to do is go to IdentityIQ. Now keep this in mind too. You see how we have IdentityIQ right here, and they say it's only $1 for the first 7 days, and then after that it's going to be $21.99. I really want you guys to always know what's on your credit reports. So I would like you guys to keep it. Now, let me show you something else. When you use my link, it's a special link so that you can get it cheaper. Now, look, we're on a direct website. If you go to IdentityIQ.com, start the membership. There said the membership is going to be $29.99. You don't even have that 7 days anymore. So make sure you guys are clicking on my link so you guys can get that discount. A lot of clients just go ahead and sign up, and then after you sign up for the $21.99, there's no turning back. The $29.99. So I want you guys to go ahead and sign up here for $1. Sign up here for $1 and go ahead, and all the way at the bottom, you'll see your inquiries. When you see those inquiries, you'll work on getting those inquiries removed using my 12-hour inquiry removal ebook. Now, keep this in mind too. You see how this client has negative accounts like this? They have derogatory marks on their credit reports. And look here too, they have 5 of them on TransUnion and only 3 of them on Equifax. So we was able to get, Equifax used to have more than TransUnion got, but we're getting them removed. So now, if you guys see any of these accounts on your credit report, definitely call us. 833-Rickita is my phone number. So go ahead and call us, and we can help you work on removing these accounts from your credit reports. Now, when I say remove these accounts from your credit reports, when we remove an account, you won't see it here. It will say 0. Nobody will know that you actually owe, $1,200 to LVNV funding for it. But he had 2 LVNV funding, so these accounts will be removed. You won't even know about them. The same way you have 5 of them here. You see how you have 5 of them here? So they got the LVNV funding at the rise here, but the AT&T is not on his Equifax. So the AT&T was removed from the Equifax, and we don't have the Experian credit score on Credit Karma because we have to look on IdentityIQ for that. And if you want to buy a house, you want to make sure that you're looking into your Experian credit report and work on those inquiries too, because a lot of times they'll deny you just for having a lot of inquiries. Or say if you want to do any type of business financing, you need to remove those inquiries. So remember, go ahead and get the 12-hour inquiry removal. And like I said too, mine was removed in 4 hours. I have some clients that said theirs are removed in 3 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours. It really just depends. But if you start working on this early, then you should be able to get it removed very quickly. Don't forget, if you have any accounts tied to the inquiry. Now, when I say tied to the inquiry, I want to make sure I let you guys understand this, or you guys really understand this. Say if you just applied for the Home Depot credit card, you just applied for it today, it's not on your credit reports, or you applied for it last week and they still haven't put that account on your credit report, then you can remove that inquiry from your credit report. Then you can remove it. But if that Home Depot credit card pops up on your credit report, do not mess with that inquiry, or they're going to remove that account too, and you don't want them to remove that account and close that account. So make sure that any credit card or any inquiry that you have here, you don't have that account on your credit report. Or if you do have that account on your credit report, if it's negative, then you can work on moving that inquiry. But like I said too, sometimes they're not going to want to remove that inquiry if you have an account on there and it's negative too sometimes. Sometimes they will remove it. But keep this in mind. If it's a positive account on your credit report, do not work on removing that inquiry, or they're going to remove that account. I'm warning you now, okay? So make sure you guys are really doing that. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm definitely here for you guys. And don't forget to, if you try removing this inquiry, use the method that I told you guys. Sometimes you got to keep trying. Like with me, I had to try twice, but I still got to delete in 4 hours. So from the time I tried to the time that they were actually deleted, it was 4 hours. So I want you guys to keep trying. And that was with Experian. Now, if you're working with TransUnion and Equifax, I remember I had to try 14 different times with them. But guess what? It took me two hours to do it. It took me 2 hours to do it, but at the same time, it was done. Do not get discouraged. Keep trying. And let me know if you guys have any questions for me. I'm definitely here for you guys. I'll talk to you later.